I'm Izzy, and I'm in my shop with none other than Sterling Davis. Sterling gave me a call. He needed some help building some of these display systems for his daughter. So we beat it out, and it's been awesome to have you here.
It's been a great experience. Everybody talks about CNC. Is it woodworking or not woodworking? I can guarantee you it is woodworking. We're going to show you why in this video today. So if you want to check out how we did this, stay tuned.
I'll let him do the lightweight stuff.
thank you so much for letting me come into your shop and just to have a free-for-all just throughout the entire shop. It was great being able to just make man glitter and just create with you. It was a blast. You got this thing going on called the Maker Playground.
Yep.
So tell me about Maker Playground and where we can find, the link's going to be down below, what all it's about.
Okay, well, it's two-sided. First of all, you got to experience some of it today. So here at my shop, I call it the playground. I'm inviting other content creators to come down to my space and make content, make stuff for Instagram or YouTube, just to make videos. So if you're a content creator, are interested in doing a collab, or just want to come down and create some content, you're welcome here. The other side of it is a digital platform for everybody. Anybody that's interested in making, whether you're a maker or you're interested in making it, think about it like Facebook. It acts a lot like Facebook and Instagram. It's a social media platform for people who are just interested in making and tired of all the other stuff.
It's just beginning too, and you're starting to add on to discounts at certain places that
Yeah,
you can get.
there's a couple levels. There's the free level, which everybody can come in and jump in on. And then there's a paid level, which if you want to help support the maker community, where you can jump in, it's $10 a month. And that gets you access to like all my plans for this. That's included in the price.
Right.
That's $300 or $400 worth of plans right there. Discounts from vendors like Klingscore, Total Boat is coming on board, BP Wake, Kaizen Insert, so you can get some significant discounts from them. And then we're adding more stuff all the time. Like we have Makers Mall coming, so people who want to sell product or plans can do that right there at the playground.
Well, I'll tell you, I've had an absolute blast today working with you, just hands-on. I've learned a lot, and I appreciate that. And that's what this is all about, the playground, learning, working together, and community. So,
Yep.
Izzy, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Thank you for coming down.
No, glad to, and I just appreciate you helping with the project. Looks great.
Yeah, it came out nice.
So, check out Maker's Playground, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks,
Folks,
thanks again for coming, man.
yes, sir. Always remember,
Maker's Playground.
be kind to one another.
Oh yeah, that too.
It's so beautiful. I know he wanted me to have it. He really wanted me to have it. He wanted me to have it. I know Harju wanted me to have it.